Let's go to Waterway today, Kitt. We'll walk here. How's that sound? Nobody here for now. But we both know that could change in a moment notice, right? Yeah, let's walk here today. Let's see if I can do this with one hand, Mr. Kitt. It's not easy. I can't do it with one hand. Hold it, stay still. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off. I can't do that with one hand. Well, as you can tell, I did it. No more hair on the head. And I also trimmed this up, which we'll get to that. Let's talk about hair on one's head. Let's talk about different changes to one's body that really can make a difference. I hope that wind ain't messing up today's video, but it might be. Before we talk about anything else, it is November, and today's high temperature is going to be dang near 80 degrees. It's going to be 79 degrees in November. I'm not complaining. I hope it stays this way all winter long. I know it's not winter, I know it's fall, but that explains the wind too. Alright, let's get started. It could be anything on a person's body. It could be a hairstyle. It could be hair or no hair. It could be piercings. It could be a little bit of everything. Makeup, no makeup. But it can all be up here. How one little change, or even a big change, can change the way somebody's thinking. And oh boy, let me turn around here. That creek's looking all promising this morning. Oh, Kitt, we do have, hey Mr. Kitt. Hey Kitt, I'm talking to you. We do have our fishing poles in the car. Won't you say hell with it and go make a fishing trip? We should, huh? But we can't. I'm counting on the microphone mod I have on this GoPro to block the wind. It actually does better than the expensive shotgun mic I have for my G70. But anyway, isn't it strange how one change to a body can literally change how one thinks? Let me explain my personal preference on it. You know, what was going on with me. My intentions when I decided to grow my hair out pretty much around 2 months ago, I'm guessing, was to actually do it till Christmas. That was my thought pattern. I really thought, hey, that'd be no big deal. And then even halfway through, you know, like about a month ago, I was like, shoot, I just grow it out this spring to decide if I want to keep it. Well, the longer it got, the wider it became, and it was playing some hellish things in my head, guys. I don't even know where to begin. Nothing changed in my lifestyle. Nothing did. But yet, it was playing mind games with me. It was making me think I was much older than what I really am. Remember me saying people could show up here any moment? Hear that dog barking? Truck's coming in, they have pets. See, there's a truck just like that one. The gentleman just lets his dog out while he drives around the park. His dog out without a leash. I don't think it's that one. Does it sound like a younger dog or a smaller dog bark? So hopefully if they are going to get out, they keep their dog on a leash. Yeah, I don't care if, okay, it doesn't matter if they're going to be friends with my dog or not. You should always have your dog on a leash. But anyway, back to the bald head, or head that used to have hair. It was playing some mind tricks on me. Seriously, it was. Kitt, quit pulling me, Bubby. I'm trying to figure out what these people are going to do. It was messing with my head. Every time I look in the mirror, I kept seeing myself. Oh, gosh, I'm really old. Guys, I'm 58 years of age, okay? Within the last 3 weeks of me shaving my head, the 3 weeks I had hair, I was picturing myself 86. That is no damn lie. The truck was going around here real slow. Kept looking over at me to see if I was leaving. I just got here. I understand them not want to walk their dogs. More than likely, might have let them want to let their dogs out without a leash. But yeah, they kept waiting to see if I was leaving. All right, let's get back to the subject. Come on, Kitt. You done sniffed that spot too long. It literally was making me think I was a whole hell of a lot older than what I really am. To put yourself in that mindset, it changes things a little bit. It literally was putting me into a depressed state. It was seriously, and then some people that I interact with every day was even kind of, how can I put this? They wasn't telling me, oh God, Mike, you aged 20 years. No, it's more or less along the lines, it's felt like they was treating me a little different, like I was old. My children, for one. You know? Then I made that video, Silver Fox. I thought maybe then I'd be okay with it, you know? It was shortly after that video is when I started noticing myself looking damn old. Guys, I couldn't do it. I can't do it. Oh. I can't. It's just something about me growing my hair and it looking white. Just play mind games. But the biggest mind game it played of all is probably the main reason I cut it off. It's the same reason I went bald in the first place. And I'm going to tell it now. Okay, I mentioned it before in my videos back about 7 years ago, I think. The main reason I went bald in the first place 7 years ago, and the reason now is, when I look in the mirror, I see my father. Not a bad thing, right? But I have the picture of my father the day before he died. That look that my father had, and I'm telling it how it is, guys, and yes, you can tell me I'm a little nutty, but that look my father had before he died, I was on the porch talking to him. That look will never leave my mind, and every time I looked in the mirror with my hair getting longer and whiter, that was that look. My father died of a heart attack, by the way. I've already had a heart attack. So in my freaking head, it was messing with me. And that's the same thing it did 7 years ago, too. Yeah, go ahead and leave it down in the comments. I'm loopy. But I cannot seem to get that out of my head. I can't. Because every time I looked in that mirror, I seen Dad looking back at me, which is not a bad thing, but it wasn't the thought it was put in my head. It was the last time I seen him. It was that look. So I shaved the damn thing off 7 years ago, and I shaved the damn thing off 2 days ago. Well, was it 2 days ago? Yes, 2 days ago. Will I ever eventually start growing hair on my head? Yeah, I will. But not for a while yet. But you want to know something even more interesting? Whew. The second I shaved my head, I can't say the second, I shaved my head, then I did some things around the house, and then I went ahead and had to go somewhere. I looked up in the rearview mirror instantly. I was like, welcome back, Mike. Welcome back, Michael. I missed you. Instantly, it changed my perspective on life, changed my perspective on the way I look. It changed everything. I literally was able to go, yeah. Now, isn't it funny how looks can change one's perspective on themselves? That's what I tried to say earlier. Isn't it strange how that can happen? In my case, it might be a little mental. You know? I mean, it wasn't just Dad, though. There was most of it was because of my father. But the other parts was, I was feeling super old. Yeah, well, actually, it had a lot to do with Dad, because I was connecting the dots. You know, Dad being up in age. When my father died, he was 90. Oh shoot! You would think I would know this. I forgot. Dad was 71 or 72 years of age, guys, okay? Yeah. I know I'm not going to live. I'd be lucky to have 20 more years. You know, I'm at the part of my life right now that I've already done everything I'm going to do. I have nothing to prove. I'm living every day and trying to enjoy the best of it I can. And that's, you know, when I go out and get footage, that's exactly what that's all about. I'm making memories. I'm making a legacy, so to speak. So I'm living every day. Now let's talk about the side beard. I grow my beard in every year anyway, guys. I do. But this year's gonna be a little different. I'm keeping it trimmed down. It doesn't need to be bushy. I learned that last year. It doesn't need to be bushy to warm me up. No. Or to keep my face warm. And since I'm not going to let it get bushy, I'm probably going to keep it permanently now. And there's a reason why. Okay, Kitt, stay. Without this, I only had the goatee. Now with this, I have a beard. That way, whenever I'm in talking to somebody and, is that a ladybug? Stay away from me. I had a problem with you the other day. Oh yeah. The ladybugs the other day, I'll get to that. But yeah, now I can start calling it a beard. I got tired of calling it a goatee. But anyway, remember the video that we did at the cover bridge with the ladybugs? And the ladybugs got in my car. They even got into my camera box. My couple camera boxes I have. You know, we're still dealing with them today. Yeah. Every so often, a ladybug appears in the car. They were horrible that day. They're probably going to be bad again today, too. But it's just going to be 79 degrees for the high. All right, guys, there you go. Let me know down in the comments. Have you ever done something to your body that changed the perspective how you look at yourself or look at things? Or could it be like me? Could you be bald and you shave your hair off for similar reasons I'm doing it? Leave it down there. And please, for the love of ketchup and pickle juice, hit that like button. Guys, the like button does so much wonders for my videos. You wouldn't think it, but it does. And you know what? You see which way I'm going with the videos. I'm bringing out all kinds of ventures nowadays. We're driving miles out. If you like this content and you think other people might like it, share it. I don't want to become big on YouTube. I never will. But it'd be nice to pick up a few extra subscribers. That way maybe they can see the beauty and see how cool things are just the way we do. Alright guys, till next time, thanks for watching. We'll catch you soon. We'll catch you in the next video.